Hare Krishna. Today we would like to share some tips about traveling for those who travel a lot and who have lots of luggage, lots of stuffs to carry. And we have our big suitcase. We bought it 5 years ago on the sales at Samsonite store. But the wheels we had to change for the metal one. So 4 wheels we changed maybe 1 year later because they got broken, because there are so many stuffs. And when the suitcase is heavy, it's not suitcase, I don't know. Anyways, when it's heavy, the iron wheels is the best. So now we can carry many stuffs, and we have four luggage with us, and this is one of them. So kind of tip or life hack is just to change the wheels for the iron one, metal one. I don't know, metal or iron, which is correct, but still you can see. Yeah, even though it's a branded stuff, it got broken very easily if you travel a lot. Because few years ago, before this lockdown time, we changed 74 places of houses or shelters during the year, 74. And now we also do traveling because we have to leave India to extend visa and stuff. So yeah, this is kind of small thing we wanted to share today. Have a nice day. Hare Krishna. Yeah, the system of 4 wheels is very convenient because you don't have to carry it with your hands, just pull, and my husband can do it easily, even though it's quite heavy. It's like a jungle here. We're in the mountains now. Rainy and gloomy day, but it feels fresh after the hot coast.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So now we are in the mountains and still morning here. We are doing japa, taking a walk and going to the waterfall. And this place very reminds me of Munnar, Indian Munnar. So it feels like we came back to Munnar again, but here infrastructure a little bit more sophisticated and more interesting, so-called, but anyways, I miss Vrindavan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.